how to use ElevenLabs. So this is the main website. You can approach the main lobby here, go to app. It will take you to different website, and right here it will give you a basic chat which you can type in everything you want. You see over here on the left side your credit remaining, and this chat has only 5,000 characters. So you can over here you can choose on the right side a voice. You can go with different voices, for example this one, and you can also choose a different models which you wanna use, from the oldest one to the newest one, and you can change the stability of the voice if it's want to be similar or stable, and you can just generate a speech like this. You are just type anything in and generate speech right here.
Hello.
That's it.
Hello.
And if you wanna go with a voice changer, you can use this function, which is basically you can upload a file to 50 um, megabytes, and it will be audio or video, and it will change the voice of the video or audio to the actual voice of this person over here. So you can try it, you can change it. Also, you have a library of voices. So I have up to 30 slots I can use, and I can just use different
Gratitude is riches.
voices which I want, or I can find more voices in library, which is right here. I can just type in something, or I can go with characters and animation, and I can choose a different voices here. If I want to create my own voices, I can go back to voices and my voices, and go with this button on the right side, add a new voice, click on it, and you can choose from different options. For example, voice design. This is a little bit hard. I would suggest this one. This is instant voice clone. You can just upload some files up to 10 megabytes, and it will create an exact copy of the voice. So it's really easy, and it's not that hard to use. You can use this professional voice clone. It needs more information and everything, but it's overall just better. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.